apply the brakes. Okay, did you hear that? There's a squeal when I hit the brakes. If you go to the repair shop, how much do you think they'll charge you? In fact, it's time to replace your brake pads. Clearly, it's cheap and easy, but the stores always charge hundreds, even thousands of dollars. I bought a brake pad from auto parts store, just for the price of a hamburger. I just had time today. Let's replace them ourselves. See if we can solve the problem. Remove the tires first. Come and see, this is the brake pad. It is installed inside the brake cylinder. Next steps, let's remove the brake cylinder. Get a monkey wrench. Remove the screw under the brake cylinder. Insert the screwdriver in, pry outward. Let the pump return to its original position, and then lift it up. Look, these two are brake pads, brake cylinder, brake disc. The brake cylinder bites the brake pads. The brake disc won't turn. Release it. It can turn. Bite. It can't turn. Release. It can turn. This is the principle of car brakes. Next, let's take off the brake pads. Look, these pads are thick enough to last at least another 5,000 kilometers. But there are many small hard spots on its surface, which grind grooves on the brake disc. No wonder there is always a shrill scream when I step on the brakes. Actually, use sandpaper to grind off the bumps on the surface and the noise will disappear. But the repair shop actually wants to replace it. What a huge scam! But now that we have bought new brake pads, let's replace it. Installing brake pads is actually easy. Let's align the brake pads with the upper and lower grooves, and then push it in. Put this one back inside too. Next, let's put the brake cylinder down. Okay, then install the screws. Use this wrench to tighten the screw. After tightening, the brake pads for the left front will have been installed. Next, let's put the tire back on. Remove the jack. Tighten these screws. Reinstall the hubcap. Okay, next, we use the same method. Replace the right brake pad as well. Okay, it's been replaced here too. The next step is very critical. Follow me. After replacing the brake pads, we must get in the car and start it. Okay, apply the brakes hard several times until the brake pedal feels very hard. You can use it normally. Okay, after replacing the brake pads, bro, let's test whether there is still abnormal noise when braking. Come on. Start. No sound. Continue. No sound. No more squeaking at all, right? Problem has been solved.